Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. As you can see in front of me, I have another box. This one is from the Happy Planner, their flash sale, I believe it was called. And I'm just gonna go ahead, open it up with you guys and go through everything that I purchased. It is quite a heavy box. There's over 8 pounds in here. So I'm super excited to show you what I ended up getting. This was a really nice sale. This ended up being under $100 for all of these. So let me show you. I did use my reward, so probably that's why the price went down, but I got a massive amount of things. Okay, so here we go. I have a whole bunch of stickers and things, so let me go through it. Let me just get that charging cable away, and my microphone that just fell. Okay, so I got 2 of those holographic Memby sticks. They're awesome. This is what they look like on the back. So you get quite a few letters, so you can design things for sure. Then I did purchase the lettering paper if I decide to practice again. I was doing it in a planner, but it's not the same as having actual lines. And then I bought the gardening accessory kit, so it comes with paper, a dashboard folder, and 1 page of stickers. It is really beautiful. Let me go ahead and open it up and show you what that looks like. So you get 2 sticky notes. Oh my goodness. And the folder with the sticker page, and then look how cool these pages are. So I love that they're decorated already. I do enjoy that. I don't enjoy that if it was in my planner, but for list making, instead of decorating my own pages, sometimes I like to have it already pre-done for me. And this looks like it will be perfect for that. Let me put this back in. As you can see, I am struggling, but oh well, right? So let's go ahead and put those away and continue on to the next thing. So I did end up buying like an elastic pen loop for my planner. I had one of those a while back, and I had one from the Wild Styled, but I'm using like 6 planners, so I need more. And then this is a little pouch. I figured this would be perfect for my pens because the Wild Styled one is getting too small. And this comes with washi in it. Let me see. So it comes with 2 sets of washi. This one is like the skinny one, and then this one is a floral one. This one's beautiful. I've never seen them like this, but hey, I will take it. Okay, so let's put that in. And I'm gonna check the second one as well, because it said that it could come with different washi. If it comes with different washi, awesome. If it's the same, I actually like it. So I love my pastels and I love my florals, so this kind of hit it right on the head. Let's open up the second one. And I really do love those pouches. These pouches are so awesome. Okay, so here we go. Beautiful. So the same exact washi. So I have 2 of those. And then I purchased a couple multiples too. So this is the Teresa Collins. These stickers are amazing and I use them a lot. I've purchased a couple packs of them and I'm practically done with it. So I needed another one. But let me organize all of these sticker books and then we'll go from there. So I ordered the sticker book the Stick Babe Essentials. Let me do a quick flip through of this. These are so fun. Oh, look, they even have pets. How cute. Okay, and those circles in the back. That is awesome. Let me put those away and then we'll continue. And then the crafty one, the crafty Stick Babe. I did not have those. Those, whenever I tried to get them, were always sold out. So I ended up getting them. I think these are perfect for a monthly spread. When you're doing monthly and you want to kind of mark out what you're doing, these little girls could be perfect for it. And you have a card, and yeah, it's beautiful. Especially those tiny little ones, like these would be perfect for the monthly. Look how cute. Sorry, this is like in a way, so let me move those and then I'll be able to show you more. There we go. Create, how cute. Oh, I think these are beautiful. Okay, there we go. And then we have these, which are so cute, the seasonal ones. You have spring and summer and fall, and they're just so adorable. So now we're into a summer and you get multiple pages. It is beautiful. And we have winter, and it's gorgeous. Yeah, so that's kind of, and then you have backgrounds for them if you want to use them like in a circle, which is awesome. So there's this, and then I ended up getting a Wellness Warrior because I really love this book, and it kind of reminds me of the new like pastel. I think it's Happy Plants. That book, it kind of reminds me of that in color, but this is wellness situated, like wellness focused, and I really like it. I've been really focusing on myself with wellness and love the encouraging messages that this includes, so I wanted to make sure that this is also that I have everything I need to kind of focus on my health and wellness. And I love that they're focusing on all the aspects of life with this. Okay, so almost done with this book, and like I said, it is so lovely, and all of the Hallow stickers in here are beautiful. Even though I'm not normally a fan of Hallow, and look at all the boxes, like that's incredible, right? And I have Wellness Warrior, so that's that one. It did come a little bit broken on the top, but oh well. And then this one is sold out everywhere, and I used so many stickers out of this already. The color scheme just appeals to me so much in this. It's like earth tones and calm, and all of the pictures are nature related, and I couldn't pass it up. I think this was the first book that had a lot of yellow in it. I think it's toned down for sure. And the writing prompts are great because I can add that to my journal. So there's a lot of beautiful things that I can add, and I've used this in the spread, the Stay Present, and that came out incredible. And the last sticker book is my emoji sticker book. I never had that one before, and I wasn't even sure how I feel about it, but I figured I might as well have it because this could be really good to do like a mood tracking in a monthly spread. I don't know how I'm going to be using it yet, but that's kind of how I figured I might be using emojis for my mood. Some of these are cracking me up, like the one that is swearing, or like the little spa one. That's cute. And then you have miniature ones of all of these, which is great. So if you did want to use those smaller ones in a monthly, you could actually write underneath it whatever you needed to write. So, and then you have hearts, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I know that was a lot. I got so much. So we have emoji, we have wellness planning, wellness warrior, seasonal sticker stick babes, and then you have crafty ones and essential ones, and then the washi little pouches, the pen loops with the planner bands, and some extra accessories. So that's a lot. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be back really shortly for another plan with me. Thanks!